All right, back where I mulched today. This will be part 2 of this project. I already kind of started on it and I didn't really film any of it, but yeah, anyways, so here I am. I'll give you a quick scan of what I got going on. This is the mulched area. You can see I pulled out some of the stumps. One of them is right there, and that's what I'm going to continue to do. I might not be able to get that one. That's a pretty big one, but I got to finish pulling out all of this, kind of all the chipped up stuff, you know, leftover branches and whatnot, and the ground there that was there before was pretty ruddy, so you can kind of see it. Well, you can see it up over here. So all of this stuff, that's what the ground cover was prior to. So there's a pretty extensive root system from all the vine maples. What I'm going to do is going to pull the ground to where it's pseudo bare, and then all that stuff, I'll end up digging a big trench right here, burying all what I pull off the top, and then using the rest of it to grade out. So anyways, I'm gonna go get the excavator fired up and we'll get to work. Okay, so made pretty decent progress. Got all the stuff pulled out here. I got this last stump to take out, and then we'll be in the process of burying that. The idea is I'm going to try and dig a hole or have a spoils pile that's as big as, if not bigger than, that pile. And then I'll use all that dirt to grade out. So let's start with getting this stump out. Okay, now we're gonna start digging a big hole. Okay, so most of the grade work's done. A big pile that was here is now gone. And I just have a little bit of work to do. Got this pile to spread out, and I got to feather out into here. That's all the further the dirt went. But looking back this way, yeah, looks pretty good. So this last little bit, we'll have first person view. So here we go. So there we have it. It is all tracked in. All that other extra vegetation was buried. And we used all that fill to pull grade. Still got a couple of stumps to move up to the burn pile. I wanted to, in this video, let me get up into the shade here. I wanted to, in this video, there's a road, or I'm punching in a road right here. So, get up here to the top, look down. Wait, I'm not facing right into the sun. You can see I stopped here, there's a stump there. Yep. Yeah, right down here. I wanted to put it all in this one video, but doing all the rest of this took a little bit longer than anticipated. So yeah, I got that done. And left that one gargantuan stump right there. So yeah, this part of it's done. Got the mulching, got this piece of property, well, this part of the property back. So that's gonna do it for this video. Again, if you like what I'm doing, subscribe, follow along with more projects. Yeah, if you live in the greater Thurston or Lewis County area and you are interested in this kind of work, this is the kind of stuff that my business does. So yeah, if you're interested, get a hold of me. My email, business contact email is on the YouTube channel. And yeah, then we can set something up. I do free estimates. Yep, that's it. I'm going to end it here. So I will catch you on the next video.